Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your Motorola Moto G72. A little demonstration first. For example, on the Play Store, if you turn your phone sideways for like a full screen vision, your phone won't turn if the auto rotate is off. To enable it, you're gonna go to your drop down menu, and then you have here auto rotate. If you just click on it, it's turned on, and then we go back to the Play Store, and then we see when we turn it sideways, the page will shift sideways too. If you ever want to turn it off again, you just go back to your drop down menu, click on auto rotate, and you see now it's off again, and then your phone won't turn sideways anymore. That's how you turn on and off the auto rotate on your Motorola Moto G72. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.